let's explore the footer and the footer settings of your website. So if you scroll all the way down to your website, you will get your footer area, and it is marked like this. As mentioned in the header video, this can also be hidden, same as your main header, if you don't want to see this on a page for some reason. So you can either hide or show it. There's a slight difference between the main header and the footer, whereas this you can also add in menus, but this is a fully customizable block as the rest of your website would be. So let's say you don't necessarily like what you've got here. You can simply hover and delete that block, and this block we can leave there. Let's add in a block, go to footers, and scroll through all the beautiful designs that's already available for you to use as a footer. Let's go with this one and see what it looks like. So this one looks fairly nice. Let's move this down. Now you can change your image and you can change the text. Your menu is, that's a spacer, that's not a menu. You can add in a menu here if you want. There's a menu, and you can add in any one of the widgets that you want. Now the widgets, you don't have widgets specifically for the footer. This is normal standard widgets. So let's say you already have a menu, but let's say you want to add in a second menu. All you can do is go to menus, drag that in, add a menu item as you would with your home, your main navigation. So we've got a home. Let's add in the contact page. Let's add in maybe the agency page for now. Just those 3 items. So now we can move this spacer down. Just make sure that we can actually see the text inside of this menu. There we go. So now we maybe want, we don't want to see a border. So let's remove the color on that border. So there you've got a nice menu, and you can play around with this, adjust the spacing if you want to make it a little bit smaller, make the font size bigger, however you want this menu to look like. Or you can take the menu that you have, copy it, and just add that into this column. And it's the same as the normal builder. You've got multiple columns there. You can see you've got 4 columns in this footer, which can be adjusted as a normal builder or as a normal widget or element inside of your normal page builder. And you can add as many blocks into this footer as you want. So that's how easy it is. You know, if you want to play around with additional settings or different footers, go back into the footer templates and have a look at all the beautiful designs. Select one that will work for you, add that in, and you can customizing this as you please. So go ahead, create your footers for your website and let us know if you need any assistance.